Sri Jiva Goswami Pad has entered the Leela in its Sarup, and he's understanding that this conversation is going in different directions. And Krishna replies, the gopis are speaking here, but Krishna is silent, we don't hear his reply. So Jiva Goswami Pad is revealing that Krishna is saying to the gopis, you gopis cannot be purchased for a price, or can you be hired? So how can you be servants? Because if someone hires a servant, then he has to pay the servant. This is the behavior among individuals anywhere else. And then the gopis reply, what is the price? Showing us your face. That's the price you have to pay. Just show us your face. Seeing you in a special way, with your locks of hair bouncing on the sides of your face and your curly, bouncy hair. Just seeing that, we want to become your servants.